Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk to you about the Baker Act and why it's in all likelihood too late if the public defender has already been appointed to represent your loved one or represented you if you're the patient. So let me just explain how this all works vis-a-vis the public defender. Now, if you have been detained, unless and until the facility files a petition to extend your detention somewhere between 0 and the next 6 months, you're not getting the public defender. Okay, the public defender only gets appointed by the court once the facility has already filed to keep you. And if they've already filed to keep you, in all likelihood, you're probably going to get stuck there. And I'm not poo-pooing the public defender. In fact, one of my associates was a former public defender. I hired him out of the public defender's office specifically because he had the experience handling lots of these cases. And he's a really great lawyer. And, he's pretty excited about the fact he's gone from handling 300 or 400 cases at any one time to 4 or 5. So, when he goes to court on a Baker Act, he's got one case on the docket instead of 25. And so it's not that the public defenders are bad lawyers. In fact, most of them are really good lawyers. The problem is that they're overwhelmed. I mean, how can you possibly fight 25 cases and prepare all these cases and be ready to go and fight? It's just not feasible. And frankly, it's just not fair to not only the public defender, but it's not fair, frankly, to the patient or their family. And so what I'm telling you is, if you want to fight to get out, the best time to do so is before the facility files to keep you. And that means you or your family has to retain private counsel for you. And so I wanted to share that with you because I think people think, oh, I'm going to get a public defender. Yeah, but by the time you do, guess what? It's probably too late. You're probably getting stuck. And that's just the way the system works. I'm not saying it's fair. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just telling you how it works in the real world, in reality, in this universe. So I hope that that clarifies that issue. I appreciate you tuning in. I would love a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe to the channel, I'd be most grateful. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.